Hi students, MCQ number 4. When the current changes from plus 2 ampere to minus 2 ampere in 0.05 second, an EMF of 8 volt is induced in a coil. The coefficient of self-induction of the coil has to be found. Now what are all the given quantities I will write first. The current, the initial current is given as plus 2 ampere and the final current is taken as minus 2 ampere. Therefore the change in current, change in the current is equal to I final minus I initial. So this is equal to minus 2. So this is equal to, this is minus 2 ampere, minus of plus 2 is minus 2. So this is minus 4 ampere. And the time during which the current changes is given as 0.05 second. Okay. Then the induced EMF's value is 8 volt. So self-inductance of the coil L has to be found. Now self-inductance of the coil is equal to minus of induced EMF divided by the rate of change of current di by dt. Okay. So this is now equal to minus of 8 divided by di is minus 4. So this is minus 4 divided by dt is 0.05. So this minus and minus get cancelled. So this will be 8 into 0.05 divided by 4. So this is 4 2s are 8. So this is 2 into 0.05 can be written as what? 5 into 10 power minus 2. Okay. So 5 into 2 is 10. So this is 10 into 10 power minus 2. So this is equal to 10 power minus 1. Therefore L is equal to 0.1 Henry. So this must be the answer. So you can see which is the correct option. You see 0.2, 0.4, 0.8 they are not correct. So 0.1 Henry. Therefore option D is the correct answer. Okay. I hope you must have understood that. Fine.